This video tutorial I will explain equals method of arrays class which accept character array and character array. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined character array 1. Then I have defined character array 2. Then I have defined character array 3. Then I am calling equals method of arrays class and passing character array 1 and character array 2. This method check if character array 1 is equal to character array 2. If both are equal, then this method returns true, else it returns false. If you see, both character array 1 and character array 2 contents are equal. So this method returns true. Here I am checking character array 1 is equal to character array 3. And if you see, character array 1 content is different from character array 3 content. So this method returns false. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.